first voyage together and we reached Vietnam. So we just landed on Hanoi and the arrival immigration is going on there. I'll just show you. So this one is the airport and the arrival immigration is going on there and there is a huge line. So we are just waiting there. We'll meet you guys shortly. We are done with our immigration. I was unable to click the video there because it's not allowed. And we have a check-in on tomorrow around 2 p.m. Till then, this is our stay. Absolutely, we need to stay in the airport whole night. Now the time is around 2 p.m. in Indian time and in the Vietnam time it's around 3:35. So around the buses will start around 6:45 a.m. in the morning. So till that much time we had to wait, and after that we need to call the hotel whether they'll allow the early check-in or not. We need to check that, and after that we need to check in. Surely slept here. We have been moved out from there. Like we are sitting in the near the baggage counter. So they said that it was not allowed. So we were sent outside, and this is how it looks. This is our new place to sit and take rest till we start to Hanoi. And we are technically outside Hanoi. The airport is located a bit outside, around 20 to 30 kilometers outside to Hanoi. So we need to take a bus from here to go to the hotel. See you later. So we waited for some time, but the charge of the phone is very less, and we are unable to stay in the airport anymore. So we have booked a Grab app is there. No, Grab app is there. So we just need to wait for the taxi, and we will know how it is. Good morning. We're just heading to the Queen's Cafe. Ouch. Okay. Yeah, thanks a lot. My head got hit there.
I would have stayed outside, my health would have been spoiled.
How are you feeling?
Feeling fine. But body is little got rest now.
This is the room which we are going to stay temporarily in. It's a family room. It's a double cot. There is a window. We just came out to have some breakfast. And this is how the street looks. So guys, this cafe, we just came here. There is milk tea, there is coffee, there are multiple teas, flavors are available, and these are the prices of the same. We took a milk tea. Let me just show you the prices. Can I take the menu for once? So they have juices around 30k, which will be around 100 rupees in our currency. We took milk coffee. It's very cozy. The cafe is very cozy. Let me just show you the cafe, how it looks.
cơ đầy miết man nhưng mà lúc làm việc nó rất là xa. Bánh chỉ nhỏ
We
nhỏ như
just
này thôi.
received a milk coffee.
Còn bánh trưng kia
It's
là
way too much strong.
nó đúng ngày xưa các cụ nói là phải nửa cân. Bánh trưng đấy
How is your feeling?
em cứ nói lại loại này bánh trưng Tết nó phải là vuông. Cái vuông hình chữ nhật này.
She's not a coffee person, by the way. She's tea person, and she can't drink this much hard coffee.
Nhà chị mà gói bánh trưng cầu kỳ này, đỗ là phải đổ lên rồi, xong rồi nóng rồi, xong
It's way too much strong.
gói là bắt đầu mới lấy con dao xéo. Cũng không nóng nhưng mà cầm mãi chán thì mặc vào.
Even for me, it's strong. We just came out of the cafe and trying to buy a SIM card. I think it's 4G. We have to ask them. Hello, good morning. How much for the SIM card?
How many days?
Only one SIM card, one card.
I mean, how many days?
For around 10 days,
180.
180k.
Data how much? 5 GB per day. Per day 5 GB.
Per day 5 GB.
eSIM? You want eSIM, huh? No, we have normal SIM.
Okay.
We also have eSIM, but the price higher.
The person is not there. What happened to eSIM? You want to take eSIM?
No, then take it on your phone. I mean, I also have eSIM,
Okay.
but the price is higher.
Price is high. Then no need. Then just give a normal SIM. This one please. Give it to me and that one keep it back. Around 600 rupees we got a SIM, like, but the data is very cheap. Per day 5 GB and we are going to get for all the 10 days. I don't know if it's for 10 days or 1 month exactly, but yeah, that's the price. Around 180k, which is around 600 rupees in the Indian rupees. We just came to eat and we found a place which is very decent. I'll just show it. It's Little Hanoi. It's in the old quarter. And we had a pleasant food. This is how it looking from the inside. We had a veg fried noodles, which is around 80k. It was pretty good. This is how it is. It looks from the inside. It's very pretty. It's very pretty. It's very pretty. The people are so kind. This is some ramen stuff. There's some beverages are there. We sat outside. I mean, don't expect an Indian fried typical noodles. Just fine. It's like a very healthy fried noodles. Like it was very tasty. It's very tasty. Lots of veggies and the noodles is very good. She ate all the veggies. I ate the noodles. I'm not a veggie guy. Bye bye. Thank you.
Thank you.
Here people are so friendly, guys. Really trust me. Like you will feel like home. You don't feel like you came to some other place. Like you don't feel like you came some foreign country or something. People are very much friendly. Very much friendly. You have a problem, you say them, they'll solve it. And yeah, we had a problem in the hotel and they solved it. And now the food is very tasty. The people are very kind. You will find this kind of a tourist place in India. If you see, you will find scams, but here it's very good. Hello guys, so we got our room. I'll just show you how it is. This one is the complete room. It's good. Around for 2 nights it took around 5,000. It's pretty comfortable for that. Due to the long flight and roaming a bit in the morning, we are so much tired and we just rested in the hotel. So currently we are just heading to the train street. We'll see how it is currently, but the thing which you need to be reminded is like the temperature is very low. I mean it will be around 16 to 15 degrees. For Indians, yeah, it will be too much cold. And this is how the street look like. There are so many spas, so many pubs are there. You can see the coffee shops. I think in Vietnam, I think the coffee is more famous, and I personally drank one coffee and it was so good, literally so good. We have few handicraft shop there and here. Look at the atmosphere here. Let's just go through all the shops. But the cafes here are so pretty, so pretty. You just come here and you will find hundreds and hundreds of cafes looking very cute. Just look at there. We'll just go there and look at there. I can't just show everything, but I'll try to cover everything so that you guys can also see that. Just look at it. Just look at it. This is the train street, and we came here. Just look at the atmosphere here. Look at the shops. Look at the cafes. Look at the people. We are just literally walking on the tracks, and just beside the tracks there are cafes. Everyone here is waiting for the train to come.
Without information, don't give information.
Look at the crafts. She's selling them. I don't know. Hello. I don't know when the train comes. According to the schedule, there was a train around 7:50, but the time is around 8 o'clock, 7:55 right now. But it's a bit crowdy. It's totally filled with people.
Yes.
This looks a bit empty. Hey, you want to try here? Say hello to Christmas Tata. Just look at the vibe, guys. Just look at the vibe. Trains here, according to the schedule I have seen, for every 15 to 20 minutes there are trains, but they have also mentioned that trains are going to be running late, mostly in the same street. I don't know. We just have to wait for the train to come. Here we can sit, no? Can I have a menu, please? Menu.
Sandwich menu and this alpha menu as well. Many options.
Thank you.
Vegetarian option? Yes, we do. And chicken as well?
Okay.
And chicken as well.
And chicken as well. Okay.
Veg and chicken.
Okay.
Yes, veg?
We found a cafe with vegetarian options. We have ordered vegetable instant noodles and one mango smoothie. Let's see how it is. You guys just take a look at it. Yeah, the same Santa Claus which we have seen before.
Là 15. Phải là đi bà tuổi. Serious? 9, 15 and 10.
9:15.
15, yeah, not 15, sorry, not 15 and 10.
Okay.
Yeah, the passenger trains.
Okay. Now it's around 8:10.
It's the main train.
Okay.
Yes, every day.
Okay. So
Will be open whole night. Will be open here. Whole night.
No, we open now from 8 a.m. to about 11 p.m.
11 p.m. Yeah. So the shops here are open from 8 a.m. to 11 p.m. So you get to see the train around 9:15. One train is there, and after that 10 o'clock one train is there. So those are the permanent trains which you get to see every day. So there is no chance to miss those trains. If you want to experience the train street, then maybe that's a good time. And night vibe is more better when compared to the morning vibe. I'm assuming that because the lights and all you don't get to see in the morning. And the vibe here is just pretty. Say hi.
Hi.
So these are the people who have helped us in ordering. They are pretty good. They are pretty good.
And you put this on
YouTube.
YouTube.
Yes,
Any question
they are
that
so
you wanna
sweet.
ask,
They are so sweet.
I'm afraid to answer. You know,
You are 22.
I'm 24.
24.
24. I'm 26. If I can travel.
You can also travel.
Well, I mean, it's like I said, it depends on circumstances.
Yeah. I understand.
Yeah, circumstances. And,
Save it up a little bit and travel for 1 week.
well, I mean, it would be true for me too.
Yeah.
If the circumstances and the work and everything like that is going smoothly, considering the fact that I am the person who will do job, just
Okay.
to provide for my family, I don't have that luxury and free time.
Guys, the food we ordered just came. It's the veg instant noodles, vegetable instant noodles, no? Vegetable instant noodles, no? This one.
This is what the mushroom only, no?
It's mushroom.
Okay.
I don't know how to eat with chopsticks. Is it Maggie? It's looking like it is Maggie.
Kind of Maggie. But
Kind of Maggie. But there are lots of veggies.
Yeah, people take it.
People take it as a memory,
Like a souvenir.
like a souvenir.
Giải đấy, giải luôn đấy. Giải luôn cho.
They keep it as a souvenir. They just keep it on the track and they take it as a souvenir.
Indian like it is some sentence in a famous film. It's a Gabi Arnvida Na Hakana Akana
record. Kabhi alvida na kehna. Yes. Shah Rukh Khan.
Kavi Arnvida Na Kahana.
Yes.
Yeah. It's mean never say goodbye, we can meet again.
Yes.
Yeah.
Dịch vào giúp em ơi.
It's okay. I'll just collect some souvenirs. These are the souvenirs which they placed before. We are done here. We are heading back to the hotel. We just need to find a shop to buy a mask.